Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. Do you notice if you're developing that hump on your back, or do you know anyone that's developing that or has it? If you have it, how does that make you feel? How is that affecting you? A lot of people that I know, when they have that, they start getting self-conscious. It affects their confidence, their self-esteem, in their mood. It affects them in a whole bunch of very negative ways, and they tend to be more shy, or they get embarrassed in public, and then they tend to hide. Is that something that you're going through, or you know someone going through that? If that is the case, then I want you to watch this video. Now, my mom actually, is going through that, meaning she actually has that hump on her back. For her, she started having it because she has early onset osteoporosis. So what happened is the osteoporosis caused her spine to start curving this way. Okay, now there's a lot of other reasons why you will have that hump. Most of the time it's because of the imbalance in the body, the tightness in the front, weakness on the back, gravity pulling us down, so that causes us to have this posture, to have that hump. And then over the years, that just keeps getting worse and worse, right? So most of the time it's an imbalance in the body that's causing that and making it worse with time. Now, common questions that I get asked are, what is the cause of that, which I answered briefly already. And the second question that I get asked is, so what can we do about it? How do we correct that hump? Because even my mom asked me the same thing. And actually she tells me, oh, can you give me that brace that just, get me straightened up, so that way I won't have this hump anymore, and get me to be straighter and taller. But I did not give her that. I didn't give her any brace. Why? Because I don't think that's a long-term solution. I don't think braces help. I don't think they're effective in correcting that hump. Because if the hump is because of an imbalance, the brace is not correcting that imbalance. So there's no long-term solution there. What I like to do, and what I gave her, is I gave her movements and exercises that will help correct that imbalance. So to give you an idea, I gave her exercises that open up the front part of the body. Get arms up like this, or opening up arms like this. So that way you're opening the anterior part of the body, the front part of the body, all right? And also I gave her movements and exercises that strengthens this part of the back, right? So that way, if the muscles, because of when you hump over like this or hunch over like this, the muscles on the back gets looser and they get weak. So we want to strengthen them so they can hold you up and counter the effects of gravity. All right. So and also we like developing the core, having a good midsection. That way it will be easier for your body to be able to hold you upright. So those are general exercises that I gave to my mom, and those are general exercises that we actually we follow in prescribing to the patients. Now, if you have a hump and it's bothering you, quite a bit more, if it's causing pain, or if you want to have more specific ideas or more specific steps on how to get rid of that hump, feel free to call us. We can set up an evaluation, set up a consult, and we'll be able to guide you and tell you what are the steps that we can take, so that you'll be able to, get straighter and feel more confident, and feel that you're more attractive. All right. Feel free to leave your comments below. I would love to hear them. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. And feel free to share this with your family and friends and your loved ones. Hopefully we'll be able to help them. All right. So I'll see you on the next video of Get Active and Fit with Reggie. Bye.